Hello everyone, you all are welcome in this today's video. Today, we are here to discuss the details of such an amazing and smarter platform which is here to provide you the help of passive income along with its future technology. So today we are talking about Yield Engine AI, the official website of which is www.yieldengineai.io. So without taking a lot out of your precious time, we are going to talk about the complete introduction details followed by the income plan. So basically, this entire system runs on a combination of market monitoring algorithms and automated strategies that works 24/7. Here, you get the benefit of daily passive earnings because your rewards are sent directly to your wallet in every 24 hours. This is such an amazing opportunity where you also get the rewards based on your network, where you can grow your income by inviting others, and the entire earning and payout logic runs on a smart contract, which provides you a secure, audited, and transparent opportunity where there is no admin control, no editing, and no manual transfer. So, if we talk about the step by step working structure of this platform, so in step 1, you just need to choose a plan that suits your budget and duration preference because the plan ranges from 7 days to 180 days. Then, once your deposit is activated, the AI engine begins performing trades and generating returns. Your returns are calculated every second and will be delivered to you every day because here everything works on automation and you can withdraw your capital once the locking period ends. And here is one optional but important benefit for you where if you also want to grow your income to unlimited advantage, you can keep on building your team which provides you the earning up to 17 levels in the form of team's daily reward. So one by one we will be discussing all the advantages you can get from here, where first of all if we talk about the available earning plans, so some customized earning plans are available for here for the users of every category. You can start your earning with as low as $10. Each plan has a fixed duration and a fixed daily ROI. So the first plan is starter plan. The minimum deposit you can do in this plan is of $10. This is a perfect plan for all those who are beginning their journey. The duration of this is 7 days and the daily ROI you will get on this will be 0.7%. The next plan is basic plan. The minimum deposit amount is $50. Duration is of 14 days and daily ROI will be 0.9%. Then comes the standard plan, where the duration is 30 days, minimum deposit could be done of $100, daily ROI is 1.1%. Similarly, it keeps on moving ahead, where you have the opportunity to get up to 2.8% of daily ROI because Prestige Plan provides you this benefit $25,000 of minimum deposit amount and the duration goes up to 180 days. So these are the available plans out of which you can select the plan as per your preference. Now, once you have selected the plan, you will start getting the amazing income benefits where first of all, if we talk about the referral system, so you are going to get here the benefit up to 17 levels. You can earn team rewards whenever your network earns. Your referral level unlocks automatically depending on your personal deposit amount. Now here, these referral system and the level benefits has been divided into 3 phases. First of all, if we talk about the early levels, so here you will get high commissions from level 1 to level 5 for direct growth, where on level 1 you will get 20% benefit which will get unlocked at the rate of $10. In level 2 you will get the benefit of 10% which will get unlocked if you have a plan of minimum $50. Level 3 will provide you 5% commission which will automatically unlock if you have a plan of at least $100. From level 4 and 5 you will get 5% which will unlock on the plan of minimum $150 and $200. Moving ahead, if we talk about the strong long-term earnings which you can get from here, so that's possible through the mid levels which starts from level 6 up to level 10. So from level 6, level 7, you get 5% commission from each level, and from level 8 to 10, you get 3% commission from each level. Finally comes the leadership bonus, where you will get the benefit from deep levels, that is from level 11 to 17, where you are going to get 1% from each level. And unlocking these levels allows you to earn from deeper team activity and you can easily build a large passive structure. So friends, along with the unique incomes, the platform provides you many advanced features such as the real-time dashboard to track your earnings, capital status, referral growth and much more. You can get instant withdrawals because there's no ticket system, no delays. And the wallet flexibility allows you to connect through MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and any other decentralized wallet. The platform is completely built on advanced technology, which provides you the benefit of advanced referral analytics, where you can see your entire team tree, unlocked level, commissions, and many more other details. And 100% smart contract security is available here because the platform has no admin wallet, no backend data altering, and other things. Now, the benefit doesn't end here because now we are going to talk about the leadership and mentorship program, which provides you the special roles for the users who want to grow professionally within the ecosystem. So, here, the first rank which you can get from here or the designation is community manager. If someone is a community manager, then they will get a monthly reward of 500 USDT, where their duties will be to manage local groups and investor communities, to conduct daily Zoom meetings and follow ups, and to help educate and support new users. If someone is at the designation of city leader, then they will be getting a one-time reward of $10,000. Along with, they have to perform some duties like to train 200 plus verified participants, to manage premium sessions and weekly status updates, and to unlock advanced analytics and tools. And finally, we talk about the regional manager. So here, a regional manager will get a one-time reward of $50,000. They have to oversee 5,000 plus investors, strategic management responsibilities. They will be recognized as a top level partner and they have to attend VIP offline events as well. So, like this complete system has been displayed on your screen. Now, if we talk about the event support programs, so users can host local meetings, seminars, or presentation, and on the basis of that, they can earn rewards. Now, how it works, if we talk about that, so you can organize a conference where there are minimum 20 participants. You will use official presentation content. You can ensure at least 7 participants are investing. Submit the proof in the form of photos or videos, and you will receive a gift of 250 USDT. Now, there are some requirements that minimum personal investment must be of $100. You need to print 20 leaflets plus one presentation, and each user can apply once. Now, after this, if we talk about some of the details of capital unlock system, so your capital is locked for a specific duration depending on your plan. And during this period, you can earn daily rewards, your capital remains untouched, and your ROI is consistent and transparent. After the lock-in period ends, you can withdraw the entire capital or keep the plan running to maximize profitability. The longer you keep your investment active, the more rewards you will accumulate from here. Now friends, the platform is working on the basis of a predefined roadmap. The complete 2025 roadmap has been displayed on your screen in a total of 4 phases, wherein phase 1 platform launching, phase 2 AI trading engine upgrade, phase 3 institutional tools, and phase 4 includes the mobile app plus DAO plus marketplace. So, there are many more users in this industry who specially prefer Yield Engine AI's platform because of its AI-powered earning model, because of the trusted smart contract, and because of the unique 17-level referral system. You are also going to get the benefit of flexible plans with multiple durations and the help of global ecosystem. So if you want to start your journey, here are some quick steps. You just have to get a referral link, then you have to open the dApp in your wallet browser, connect your Web3 wallet, choose an earning plan, and AI starts trading automatically where you can earn daily and you can grow your team. And now finally, we talk about the media mentions. So the global crypto media has highlighted the platform for transparent income model and for many other features. And this platform completely works on a smart contract where you are going to get unique benefit. If we talk about some important notes and a quick revision, so you will be eligible to get daily ROI of 0.7% to 2.8%. This provides 17-level referral structure. Instant reward distribution will be done. Capital lock period is from 7 days to 180 days. BP20 USDT deposits. Minimum deposit is of $10 and the minimum withdrawal is of the same amount. 10% is the withdrawal fee, and other such similar details has been displayed on your screen. So if you also want to be the part of this amazing opportunity, then today itself you can visit www.yieldengine.ai.io. Thank you.